How to log employees deduction or cash advance. Go to admin, deduction, click new, then log nyo lahat ng info, date, employee's name, example si Michael, work done, amount, then click nyo lang if paid or not, example no, then save. Then automatic na siya madededuct sa employee's payslip. If i-check nyo yung payroll, go to payroll system, search name ni employee, click preview, set date ng cut-off, then okay, click report. Dito sa payroll statement, makikita nyo yung total time of work, amount to be paid, then 500, then maliles na yung SS, PhilHealth and Pag-ibig, kaya naging 250. Dahil niles na rin yung deduction ni Michael. Thank you.